Kamwa Eli Kimisoi kobun kokwetab Araton eng county nebo Nandi kole konyor taritianotok naat ko cheptalamiat anan white stork eng barenyi ole imangu kokobar stimet taritianotok kole kamwa kole kosubkei ak betenik chetindoi taritianotok eng kelyekchi koboru kole bunu taritianotok emetab Poland, kit nekamwa kole konyo taritianotok bandab kilomitaishek 7,000 asikomuch koit emetab Kenya.
So yesterday we were lucky to get a bird that was electrocuted, and that was a white stork, the Ciconia. So we were so much interested with the bird because we realized that it had a tag in its leg, and the tag actually indicates that it came from Poland. So we were so amazed because the huge distance from Poland to Kenya, that's around approximately 7,000 kilometers. And we've been teaching people to conserve these things because of their importance, their environmental importance. So today we brought it and we surrendered it to the wildlife, which is actually termed as the wildlife trophy, and they have appreciated. So in our county we have got so many species of birds, and so many of them are so conspicuous. Like these white storks, like the one that has died, you've seen. Those ones are transcontinental. They are transcontinental migrators.
Kamwa Misoi kole kakokoito taritianotok kwa kibagengeit neribe tiong'ik nebo KWS asikomuch kotestai koyai chikilisiet nenyolunot kotinygei ak taritianotok.
After the bird traveling 7,000 kilometers to Kenya, and then when it was just gliding down to rest for a night, it ramped onto electric transmission wires and it was electrocuted. I really felt so sad. Anyway, the bird will be taxidermized, preserved in the wildlife premises, and it will be for future learning and for our students to learn.
Akot kouno eng barwet nekasirchi keteshoni kibagengeit netelelchin ripsetab tiong'ik eng emetab Poland koyan kole ichek chekinde beteiyo taritianotok ko oret agenge nebo keboisie eng chikilisiet netesetai kibagengeit notok akobo ateboshekab taritichotok koboto bonwekab cheptalaminik. Taonitab Kapsabet eng county nebo Nandi, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass kekurenon Cyril Chepsiror.